Welcome back to my channel. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, should go.
So by the title of this video, you know what's going down today, right? Yeah, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video, and basically I'm just gonna be getting ready to go nowhere. So I'm just going to do like a facial section right in this video, and also I'm going to be teaching guys some pickup lines I learned from some of my friends. So basically I'm going to give a prize at the end of this video, so make sure you comment down below the best pickup line you think you like, and then I'm gonna give the person who sent me that pickup line a prize. Yeah, so let's get to the video.
Let's get to the video. Let's get to the video. For real, let's get to the video. So firstly guys, I'm gonna be using my chocolate skull. I like this chocolate skull because it helps you to expose your skin, study your face, and all those rough edges and all, and all those big humps on your face. Like, I'm not using them a lot, but my face is not as rough as before. So yeah, definitely. And it's not really expensive. You can just check it out. So what I do, I just take a little and I just rub around my face with my fingers gently. My face.
So the first pickup line is, hi, are you alone? Because I've taken an interest in you.
Yes, baby, I'm alone. Spend that interest on me. If I'm an interest, can you spend me? I just said nonsense. Scrap that. I meant, if you've taken an interest, spend that interest. I'm dead. No, forget.
So the second one is, sky is blue, you is beautiful, can I do you?
I quite don't understand. But then,
The third one is, I can't hold my love for you because the love I have for you is like diarrhea.
what? No, you should not do. Okay. If somebody should tell me that the love they have for me like diarrhea, I would just, yeah, I know myself. I would just say my own. Sometimes they're telling me that the love what? Wait, you flush me. Wait, you can't. Let's not get there, right? Let's not do that.
Putting this stuff, I leave my face for like 2 minutes. Then I now use my machine. This part is called the exfoliating part. So I now scrub to my face gently. So now I'll say the fourth pickup line. Is your name Google because I've been searching? Sorry, is your name Google because you have everything I've been searching for?
Maru. Is your name Google because you have everything I've been searching for? What do you think about that?
Did you get your license? Okay, I like this one. Did your license get suspended for driving all these guys crazy?
Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, I like it. Makes sense.
Do you know what's so beautiful about sunset? It's the way it makes everything look beautiful. That's how you are.
Is this a pickup line? No, I feel it's not. I feel like a quote. I got this love quote stuff.
Hey babe, heard you're good at algebra. Can you replace my ex without asking
Why, Maru? Can you play my ex without asking why? I love this one. I really do love this one.
Then another one. Are you a parking ticket because you've got fine written all over you?
Because fine, like fine. Parking ticket fine, and you're fine. Makes sense.
So after scrubbing this on my face for like 5 minutes, I go rinse my face off and I wash off this part. So I washed my face with this tea tree face foaming face water. Yeah, so I washed my face with this, and it helps you reduce all these pimples on your face. And you know, it's tea tree, and tea tree has very beneficial ingredients. So normally I would have put my peel-off mask, but I don't use 2 masks in one day. Since I've already used the charcoal mask today, it's on that video before I'll show you guys how I use it on my face.
So after washing my face with the tea tree, I use this Cozy Clear cream, and it's a very good cream because it's, if you have any spots on your face and anything on your face, after 7 days they'll all clear. And you know, because of we ladies, we always have breakouts, especially during periods and all that stuff. So I just gently rub it on my face with my fingers. I just rub it on my fingers.
So another pickup line is, fuck it, you're so beautiful that you made me forget my pickup line.
That's actually a pickup line.
Another pickup line is, one just popped into my head now, and it was so beautiful. Oh wait, that's it.
Oh, ah.
Then another one that is cliche also, I've heard this so many times. Aside from being sexy, what do you do for a living?
Like, yeah, I try to have being sexy is a job. It is though. It's not easy to do.
Then another one, can I take a picture of you to show you that angels truly exist? Then, if I could rearrange the alphabet, I would put you and I together. So after waiting for a while, after I rub the Cozy Clear on my face, and I will leave it to dry for like 2 minutes, then I'll take this, like a soft part of the facial brush, then I'll just like then another pickup line. This is for like all those computer geniuses. Hey, my name is Microsoft. Can I crash on your place tonight? Another one. Are you friends because I fell for you?
Oh, I fell. Not like I fell, like I fell, literally. But like EIFFEL. I fell for you. Ah, it makes sense.
Another one. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?
Ah, I really like this one. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?
Another one. Sorry, my mind is a whole universe, but I can't seem to forget your ever bright star.
So all this astronomy, all this that I like stars, this is their pickup line.
What's the point of having shoes without having legs to put them on? What's the point of having a heart when you can't be in it? Then this one down, the next one I'm about to say, I relate to it because I'm a chemistry student. I'm a reaction and you're my catalyst. Without you, I can't be activated.
I like this one. I like all this kind of chemistry pickup lines and biology pickup lines. You know?
Roses are red, violets are blue. My world is better because I have you.
I've heard these roses are red, violet, and blue. So many pickup lines that they always use adding them. Well, this is I don't get this pickup lines. I see London, I see France. Can I see all of that? No, I don't get it. Really? What? Rain, you fell from heaven. So, let me give you guys my own pickup line. The only one I've heard of, basically. Baby, I'm sure you're tired. Then I'm like, tired of what? Of running through my mind all day. I don't know. I feel I'm not romantic. I'm not at all. So what I just rubbed on my face now is my turmeric scrub. Yeah, I made that turmeric scrub by myself. I just put turmeric inside coconut oil and I left it there for like a very, very long time. Like I use it every day. So the more it's there, the more effective it is. So I'm just rubbing it on my face. So my advice for you guys is that the soap you use for your face, don't use it for your body, because anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. I'm going to post it at least once a week for the meantime because I'm writing exams. But after that, we're going to go back to posting like twice a